Oprah's scared to death. Meghan forced to sit for a legal deposition over all the lies in Oprah chat. A source close to the case says Meghan Markle's 57-year-old sibling Samantha intends to forensically challenge every aspect of the interview with Oprah Winfrey. The Duchess of Sussex faces being quizzed under oath after her half-sister Samantha Markle sued her for defamation. Meghan could be forced to sit for a legal deposition by lawyers representing Samantha, whose claim centers on the sensational interview the Duchess and Prince Harry gave to Oprah Winfrey last year. A source close to the case says Meghan's 57-year-old sibling intends to forensically challenge every aspect of the interview with Oprah. If she succeeds, it raises the prospect of Meghan, 40, being directly asked which senior royal she was referring to when she made claims of racism. The source said, "Nothing is off-limits if the Duchess is deposed." Samantha's lawsuit focuses heavily on claims made by the Duchess when she spoke to Oprah. They include details on how little Meghan says she knew her half-siblings, but also about the life she had when growing up. Samantha, who shares the same dad with Meghan, does not recognize much of what the Duchess said and wants to challenge it all by making her sister sit for a deposition. Everything will be forensically challenged. For sure, Samantha hopes Meghan will be tested on all aspects of the Oprah program, including claims she made about the royals. Today, U.S. Magistrate Thomas Wilson filed an order detailing discovery motion requirements. He said the process shall include quotation in full of each interrogatory, question on deposition, request for admission or request for production to which the motion is addressed. Meghan Markle is being sued by her sister for $75,000 over the false narrative she peddled of a rags to riches story during her bombshell chat with Oprah Winfrey. In an explosive court document, Samantha claims the Duchess of Sussex launched a premeditated campaign to destroy her and her father's reputation. She claims her sister tried to ruin their credibility so they could not interfere with or contradict the false narrative and fairy tale life story concocted by the defendant. She also alleges Meghan lied when she claimed she essentially raised herself from virtual poverty and from 13 had to take on low-paying jobs to make ends meet. Meanwhile Samantha, 57, launched an astonishing broadside on her sister's friend and biographer Omid Scobie as she blasted Finding Freedom as a book of lies. The Sussexes' lawyer hit back at the lawsuit, claiming it was baseless and they would give it the minimum attention necessary. Scobie also dismissed the claims. The defamation case, filed in Tampa, Florida, is the latest court battle Meghan finds herself in and yet another public spat with her family. Samantha paints a picture of the Duchess weaving a rags to riches story together while attacking her sister and father to maintain the narrative. She claims the defendant had fabricated details of her background to the royal family, the media and during TV interviews. She cites Meghan's appearances on Oprah and Ellen in the US as occasions where she falsely claimed she essentially raised herself from virtual poverty. Harry and Meghan announced they were stepping down as working royals in January 2020 and moved from the UK to America. During their interview with Oprah last March, the couple claimed they had been cut off financially and Meghan was denied help when she suffered suicidal thoughts while living in London. In another bombshell, they accused a member of the royals of racism, claiming a family member questioned how dark their son Archie's skin would be. The Duchess also said there had been conversations about how Archie would not be given a title or royal protection. She said, "So we have, in tandem, the conversation of you won't be given security, he's not going to be given a title and also concerns and conversations about how dark his skin might be when he's born." The royal family had the discussion with Harry, and it was later relayed back to her, she said. Meghan declined to reveal who was involved. The Duchess said that it would be very damaging to those concerned.